Dapat sabay.
Ay, man.
Yan, magka-kuryente tayo.
Okay, first ito. First, ito yung sink. Pwede ka mag-wash dito.
Ilaw.
Ano to? Ay, ito. May mga amenities.
May amenities.
Saka to.
Ah,
May mga
shampoo.
towel.
May
May hair
toothbrush.
blower.
May sabon. Ay, may towel.
Ay, may
Oh, the
coffee.
blower.
Closet. Ito yung mga ano. Is the drawers. The mirror.
It's
Outfit
the mirror.
check.
Outfit check.
Ito naman. Ito, coffee. Coffee.
This is the coffee bar, coffee area.
Coffee bar.
The water, the tea, the coffee cup. And there is
This is fridge.
yung
Okay.
fridge.
Ito yung my
Ayan.
safe.
And meron yung safe or vault.
Uy!
Oops.
Ay, pero bawal yan.
Bawal yan.
Di ba meron may ano?
May car
pang
cage.
namin ng bayan.
And there's a TV.
On ko.
My Netflix.
Wow.
Ay, uy! May YouTube!
Wow.
Yes. Oy, may love film.
And then,
Reason it would be a disaster for the American economy, and it would have ramifications around the world. And he was a Greek philosopher.
Wait lang, open.
And there's
Ay, wait
the
lang. Alam
view.
ko, para, ay.
and ito na yung
Mami,
Tama.
Mami,
And
Sige,
look, pag naligo ka dito, nak, kitang-kita ka pag naligo.
gusto ko yan.
Pag naligo ka. Shower.
Shower.
Kita yung shower. Thank you, kuya. At ang view natin ay ang Robinson Supermarket.
Lapit lang, Robinson.
Sa
Yan yung
likod
view
lang, no?
natin, supermarket. So,
Supermarket yung-
this is our room for
Sarap.
4 days and 3 nights. And there is, ano naman to?
Ganda.
Dito, separate yung CR. Yan, separate yung ihian. Diyan yung luggage tag. So, ganito yung fasad,
Saan
pagpasok.
po kami nalagay dito?
Deluxe Hotel. Welcome to you.
Mami, alam mo, pwede mo open yan?
Hotel.
Wait lang, ma.
Walang bathtub na naman. Failed.
Aw. Welcome to your
hotel.
room
Oh.
tour! Room pedal. Deadpool. Pedal. Good. One more. Wait, wait. Nakataloy na kayo, ma. Stay lang po to the right pedal lang po. Deadpool. Very good. Ay, right pedal. Ay, good. Ay, good.
Press down. Yung left naman mga ito po yung
Very good. Thank you po. Change pedal.
Sir, kayo po.
Then pull. Very good.
Yan, tapos stay lang, insert
Then
ulit.
pull. Insert.
Insert.
Yan.
And then,
Change to the right.
change pedal.
Yan, sige po. Then
Change
pull.
pedal.
Pull na po ito,
And
sir.
pull.
Oh, very good.
Very good.
Change to the left. Change pedal. Then pull. Very good.
Very good.
No, may bag.
Alin po?
Washable to ito. 6 na placemat, isang table runner. Washable to.
Ay, saan yung table runner?
Kabilang side, mama, table runner.
So, fold that.
Wow, mami, may kutsinta at waffle. Ang manag.
Sinta, lock.
Kutsinta. It's the kutsinta.
The kutsinta. that girl.
Yay! Mga dalawa. Yan. I want... I will put people... Jump.
Orange.
Mama likes orange marmalade. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Sarap.
Ay. Ay, syempre.
Ayan. Nice.
Tingkulan.
Yan.
From here ka.
Daddy, I'm
Wow, ganda. Game. Wow.
Hello, helpful helper. The lakad. Ay, sakto. Let's go. Let's go.
Ano?
Alas. Okay, mamaya mag-gym. Change na ako.
Ay na. Ay na. Islands. After Luli Island, can have your lunch at Kauri Island. Alright? Okay. So from here to Manado is about 20 minutes travel by motorized boat. So I need to put on the life jacket.
Iwan ko dun mo, ikaw din.
Daddy.
Takpan siya. Kamay.
Sige.
Tapos ganito, tapos ganon, tapos pabalik ka.
Okay, go.
Bye. Hi. Ano na? Wala naman kasama.
Dapat malapit.
Wow, ganon. Oo naman.
Go, dito tayo. Ikaw naman nagsabi na you want to try.
Tingnan ko lang kasi yung video ko. Pang video.
Salpak sa katawan ko lahat. Butang na.
Hindi. Nasundan ng daddy niya.
Sakit, pre! Sakit, putang ina!
Wow! Galing!
Wala talaga tuwa na. Baru ako palutang.
Ano?
Round 2. Wala pa. Howry Island.
Picture po muna tayo sa kabila po tayo.
Tama.
Dahil nga gusto ko talaga mag-picture kahit nasa underwater kami or sa malapit kami sa water. Eto, shopping bag. Or what's this, Daddy? Hydro bag? Hydro bag. Lagayan ng cellphone na pwedeng mabasa kahit nasa dagat. Pwede siya. So yan, ididip mo siya sa water. Yan pa rin yung phone mo. Ah. Ganda. So, easy lang din naman siyang dalhin. Pwede mo siyang i-bag-bag habang nasa water ka. Diba? Tapos pwede kayo mag-swim. Sa beach ka, kailangan mo ng shades, ng Artista shades. So, dahil ilulubog lang natin sa water, maganda rin naman itong nakuha nating shades. Artista shades. Nakaganda din siya. Ang link, guys. Ayan, kasama tong plastic bag or hydro bag. Tapos yung shades. Diba? Ganda ng shades. Bright eyes. Ooh. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now. Tonight.
Eat mo, mami.
Pag-game na. Ay,